Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with a few essentials. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and you're signed into the same Apple ID. Open the Watch app on your iPhone now because that's where pairing and syncing settings live. Once done, check iCloud and enable health in iCloud settings so data can move securely. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on both devices. Without them, automatic sync won't work. Now proceed to pair or confirm the watch is already connected. Once your watch is connected, you configure what flows into health. In the Watch app, tap My Watch, then Privacy, and enable motion and fitness so activity data is collected. Next, on the iPhone, go to Settings, then Health, then Data Access and Devices, tap your watch to review permissions. Make sure Read and Write are enabled for steps, heart rate, workouts, and sleep so both devices can exchange records. This ensures consistent history and prevents duplicate or missing entries in health. To finish, Verify data appears in the Health app by opening it and pulling down to refresh. You can also toggle iCloud Health off and back on to nudge sync. If information still lags, reboot both devices, wait a minute, then check again. As a last resort, unpair and repair the Apple Watch from the Watch app. This rebuilds the connection and often fixes stubborn sync problems. If things go wrong, first confirm the same Apple ID and iCloud Health toggle are enabled, plus background app refresh is allowed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.